Your Excellency, today we are enjoying happiest of moments that together we will inshallah rebuild our relations between Pakistan in all spheres of life: economic cooperation, trade, investment, reconstruction. And I have no doubts in my mind that given the strength of Iranian people, courageous, brave, very knowledgeable, fertile lands, mines and minerals, oil, gas, under your visionary and dynamic leadership, Iran will transform into one of the most growing economies one day soon. And Pakistan and Iran will work together for our mutual advantages and benefits in areas in which we excel. Your Excellency, I'd like to point out one thing. Today I spoke on the floor of the House in our Parliament and conveying this message to all and sundry that today our brother, President Masood Pezeshkian, is coming to Pakistan on our invitation, and this is one of our happiest moments. We are all joyful, we are all very happy. And I think, as they say, that in adversity you come out stronger and you become friends and brothers forever. Iran and Pakistan today are brothers and friends forever. We will share our happiness and sorrows together, and we will work together to promote peace, tranquility and progress, not only in this region, but by implication in this entire Middle East, Gulf and South Asia.